Guys, we just heard something over there.
No,
and
seriously though, stay back.
honestly, we don't know what it is.
No, Aiden, back up though.
Okay, guys, I'll get to you in a minute,
keep
but
recording, just stay back.
okay. Wait, where'd you hear it over at?
Stay back.
The shed? Tell me if you guys see anything. That's just my cousin. Okay. Okay.
I don't think it was anything.
I don't know what it was. I literally heard something. I'm gonna go check.
No,
I'm gonna
it's
go
nothing.
check behind
Aiden,
the
look.
shed.
I think the can.
We literally honestly thought we just heard something, but we're not sure, like, honestly. It could have been just a deer.
No, I think it was all that milk pile tipping over.
Okay. Okay, well, anyway, I'm gonna keep recording to see if we hear anything else. I can only do 8 minutes and 45, so I'll get back to you if we hear something.
Only 8 minutes.
Because it won't. I'm the king of the hill now. Okay, we're about to do a 360, see if you see anything.